This is Team 456, iSensor Analytics from Florida State University, and this is our iCore experience. This experience started in New York just a few weeks ago. Since then, we've talked to over 100 industry members about cybersecurity. Hello, my name is Laura Clark. I'm a graduate student, and I'm working on my PhD in information science. Our team product expert is Dr. Shu-Young Mary Ho. Her work is focused on linguistic cybersecurity analytics for trustworthiness and deception. Our mentor is Phil Hipple, who is an industry consultant specializing in sound engineering. In the past few weeks of customer discovery, we have felt an array of pains concerning cybersecurity. Much of the terminology is inconsistent, and there's a great lack of knowledge at all levels of industry. Our adventure started in West 15, San Diego, California. During this conference, we were able to talk to Fleet Commander Ty about much of the pain that she is experiencing concerning protecting our naval fleet. The main takeaway that we got from this experience is that it takes one partner with a shared vision, a shared value that sees potential in your product. Our aha moment took place when we met an industry member who both wanted to protect privacy as well as be able to protect intellectual property of the company. We want to thank iCore for the opportunity to talk to so many industry members. This has been a priceless experience for us.